What's up, guys? Today we are checking out this quadcopter fighter jet, a drone. It is without any camera, just for fun for my kids. It has four, like it's in jet style, but you can say it's a quadcopter because it has four wings. And the reason for getting it is that I'm bad at manual control, so I always prefer things that have mostly automatic control. So, for example, it sorry, uh, this wasn't automatic control that I wanted to show though. All right, it has automatic control. They say it has crash, it is crash proof, but I think that is in sense that this is just a foam, so crashing it does not break it easily. 50-meter range and 2.4 gigahertz, but in general that it is easy to handle, and it has aerobatics, and let's see, 3 speed levels, 4 motor design, and things like that. So let's check it out without any further ado. Let's see. I think and another thing that I really liked about this one was that it charges by type C, and nothing so you don't need to buy any complicated cables or something like that, or micro. So in the past, whatever I have bought was charged either by some kind of special cable or micro. You have some documentation, so you have one key takeoff and landing, gliding, takeoff, maybe I think something like this, aeroplane style. Then you have circular, like surround. Remote takes batteries, AA batteries 3, and then the battery of the plane jet itself charges by type C. And I think anything else, 10 feet, 5 feet, select location, pre-flight inspection, read all the warnings. Before retrieving or picking up the drone, be sure to turn off the remote control to avoid starting the propeller accidentally. Pay drone, make sure the remote control is off. Turn on the drone, then put the drone on the flat ground, turn on the remote. So first turn on the drone and then turn on the remote. Then it will give it a gentle push upward and downward, and it should be good to go. The light of the drone will flicker during the pairing process. Calibrate the aircraft. There is a calibration as well. Turn on the aircraft on the flat ground and turn on the remote control before takeoff. Push the 2 rockers to internal bevel for 2 to 3 seconds. Wait for the little flash from okay. So the gears, they're asking the gears to press them 2 to 3 seconds when it is on the flat, and it should be good to go. That's it. I think I am familiar with it. Just the buttons. If I press the right button and then this button, it should be one of takeoff and landing. Press the landing button to trigger automatic. Okay, let me bring out these things. I think we will understand it better. I'm using an action cam, so I have to make sure that you guys can see it as well. It's very lightweight because this material, oh, this is already broken from here. That's not cool, but it will still work because it is a foam like material. It's not very plastic would have been a bit better, but it is a foam like material. Doesn't feel that high quality when you're holding it in hands, so don't expect much in terms of its quality, but it will do the job. If we look at the bottom, this is where your battery will go, and we have 1, 2, 3 mini tires, jet style. Okay, we have the remote. This is flight landing, so this is the button that you will press to land, on off. Okay, auto orientation, LEDs on off, left turn, B trim, surround. This is the surround button. These are right turn, F trim, not sure what. This is for stunt and this is for the speed. Okay, finally we have the some extra stuff. We have one teeny tiny screwdriver, the cable itself, and the main thing. We have 4 extra wings, just in case you are like if you end up breaking something, then you have 4 extra wings. And then you have the battery itself. This is the type C where you will charge it. I hope it has some battery so that I can show you without waiting. Let me plug it in. And by the way, where is the turn on off for the jet? Where is the button that turned? Oh, it is here. Can you see it? It is right here, this tiny red one, on off one. I need to put some batteries inside it. The remote, I need to get some batteries and some remote. Let me get the batteries and remote. All right, let's turn it on. It is on, as you can see, the lights blinking. And then we have turn on the remote. Remote is on. Then let's pair it, recalibrate it. Press these 2 buttons downward. Is that how it is done? 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I calibrate it? Calibration. These 2 buttons inward like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, calibration complete. So you have to like diagonally, you have to press them downward diagonally like this. See, that's how you need to calibrate it. I think it will work without calibration, but just in case, let's see if all the wings work. I can see the one wing is not working. What the heck? Few wings just flew. What was that, man? Not cool at all. Let me put them back and then start the video. All right, let's hope this time the wings stay where they are. Let's do flight. The same wings keep flying off for some reason. That's not good. Hey guys, so we have I charged the battery. The issue was with the battery. Now that I have fully charged the battery, I think it should be good to go. or at least I think it should be good to go. Let me recalibrate everything. All right, let's try the flight and landing. See, so this button goes up, down, and then we have left, right, up, backward, and up, and then we have surround. It started surrounding itself. The noise is significant. I'm not sure if you guys are able to hear me or not. And let me take a picture with my iPhone. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Oh. And there you go. What's up, guys? So finally I was able to get it working, and I would say I had bad lucks with this product, and I mean in the sense that it did not work out of the box. For example, first this part was broken, so I used glue to fix it. Then whenever I try to fly it, at least two of the wings will just fly off, and it will either go left or right. And even though I was using it out of the box, so I thought maybe the wings were not properly installed from the seller or something like that. Then I looked at their documentation. First I was stupid enough to just looking at this side, and I thought there is no wing instructions at all. Man, what do I do, right? I was so stupid that I never looked on the back side that the wings instructions were there. They're right here. And then I just took one day off, and then today I looked at it again. Maybe there is some section I missed, and then I found it. But when I found it, it says wing names. It gives you, let me bring in closer, A1, A2. Now A1 is their wing name, but there is no A2 in the box, right? There's no wing named A2. I checked all the possible combinations out there of the wings. No A2. Okay. Then it says the left one is B1 and the right one is B2. Now there is no B1 or B2. There is no wing name B1 or B2 in there. So I tried a bunch of combinations at the end. I thought maybe so there is A1 in there, so A1 was done, but there was no A2, so there was A4 there, so I put the A4 here. Okay, now it said B1 and B2, B1 on the left and B2 on the right. So I use B3 on the left because there is no B1, and then B4 on the right because there is no B2 in the box, and it still did not work. Then I thought maybe it says the lights, like look at the lights, one is green, one is red, and these two are blue, so maybe it is indicating that the same wing should go here and these one are different. So what I did is that I installed B3 here and B3 here. So these two are B3 and this one is A1 and this is one is A4. I'm sharing this in case any of you guys face this kind of issue. Hopefully you will not, you will find a better seller, but I did face this issue and spent 2 days on it, and it was annoying and wastage of time and frustrating and so much more. Anyways, let's finally try it, and I hope that it works this time. This room is small, but I hope I can give you a demo. Maybe we will change the room or something like that. So let's give it just single press flight. Whoa. Can you guys see it? Now it is stable. It still starts going left on its own whenever I leave it for some reason. I have to constantly like do it like this. Maybe there is still a wing issue or something like that. Whoa! Go forward. Can you guys see it? I'm trying to record it with an action cam. Let's give it a stunt. Stunt button is this. What? Why is it not giving stunt? Oh, okay. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, now I press the stunt button and then give it like this. Calm down, calm down. Okay, now it's full stable. Let's move it forward. Let's move it backward. Let's move it forward. Let's move it backward. Move it. Oh! The left one still seems off. And whenever I push it forward, it starts coming back. Let's enable the surround one. Surround. Whoa, bus. All right. I mean, I feel like there is still some kind of mismatch, but at least it has started working, and I think I will be able to play with my kids with it. So just give it. Now let's fly it generally. All right, it seems stable enough. Let's give it a stunt. Press the stunt button. Alright, bring it down. And then if you want to land it, just press flight landing button again. And it lands itself. I hope my action cam is covering everything. I hope so. Then flight. This button. Flight landing. I would like it to just stay somewhere. And I also want to take a picture. So it does not support auto orientation. Let's see. Okay, it does support auto orientation, but press this button auto orientation, then it will work. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now if I give it forward push, it goes left because the orientation is that way. It is still flying, so flight time is good. Come back, come back, come back. Go forward and then give surround. This is surround. Alright, now it is stable enough. Let me take a picture with my iPhone to put it on thumbnail or something. I hope it stays stable for that moment. Actually, I need to take a picture. Come here, come. Back. Looks like it is out of battery or something like that. Right? I would like to give it a flight again if possible, but it isn't responding, so it is out of battery. I guess with this you guys would be able to, this was the whole flight. It is not working now because the battery is low. I guess that's it. How much time was it? Barely a few minutes, maybe maximum 5 minutes. So you can say 5 minutes is its flight time, if I am being all right. I guess this should give you enough idea about my troubles that I faced with it, and how to fix some, and in case you guys face the same issues, then let me know. And I hope this video helps you fix the wing issue with it. And if something is broken, just use glue like I did, and it should just work fine. And that's it. Let me know guys what you think of it. Take care. Bye.